Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. If you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Another thing worth mentioning is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, we need to tap on devices icon, and here you should see your Honor Watch GS Pro. Tap on it to select it, and here scroll down, find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it, then tap on Restore, and wait. The watch will disappear from the devices. You can close the app, and once you close the app, you can also check your watch, and it should basically start resetting itself, and it will take maybe a minute or two for it to reset. And once it's done resetting, you will see the list of languages on the screen, which indicates that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.